Custom wood shop promotion. The very best online exposure you can get, to continually attract more new customers. What's the best way to ensure a steady stream of new prospects who are actively seeking what you have to offer? Answer: get your business ranking in Google, and Google Maps. According to StatCounter.com, Google currently owns nearly 93% of the entire search market. And nothing else is even close. Therefore, ranking in Google and/or Google Maps could essentially make or break your custom woodworking business. But what exactly should you rank for? Ideally, you want your business website and Google Maps listing to show up whenever potential buyers in your area go online in search of a woodworking shop that can fulfill their desires. Crucial are the actual terms, also known as keywords, that potential customers use when searching online via Google. Most common among these are keyword phrases like custom woodwork, city. The city or town entered should represent where you are located, or a neighboring town you also want to target. There are several variations of similar keywords, including custom woodworking, custom wood shop, custom cabinet shop, woodworking shop, and the like. Build a list of all of the keywords actively searched for. You can find these and other searched for keywords that apply to your business, with various keyword tools, including Google's Keyword Planner. The keyword tool I prefer is called Ubersuggest, and it's free. Your first step to ranking in Google and Google Maps is to identify all of these related keyword terms your market is using to find a custom woodwork supplier. Next, visit Google and enter in each keyword term on your list, one at a time. Take note of the actual businesses that rank on the first page for each keyword phrase. Pay particular attention to the businesses that show up in Google Maps. You'll find up to 3 different businesses listed in Google Maps, also known as the Google 3-pack. This is exactly where you want to be. When a potential customer is actively seeking you out, they're ready to buy. To show up in Google Maps, you've got to outrank those businesses currently listed. In other words, it's a matter of giving Google more of what Google wants. Give more than those other businesses are currently providing. The smaller your town, the easier this task typically is. For larger cities, it's definitely going to take more work to rank. That's only because there's much more competition. The thing is, you can beat your competitors if you stick with it and continually grow your online presence. Your next step is to register your business and location for a Google My Business account. Google will verify your account by mailing you a postcard. Then, once they do, it's time to start getting your business listed in as many different online locations as possible. And it's crucial that you use the exact same name and address as Google has registered for your business. You want each and every listing to show the same company name, address, phone number, etc. This is what adds to your presence online, and to the credibility of your business in Google's eyes. Next, find every available directory and business listing site that you can, that allows you a listing for your woodworking business. This includes sites like Yelp, Bing, Better Business Bureau, and so on. Each successful listing registered is a plus for your business. It's another online mention of your company. And generally speaking, the more of these effective mentions you have, the higher your ranking tends to climb on Google. You can find various directory lists online via a simple Google search. Keep looking and you'll continue to spot new opportunities. But understand that some of these listings will carry more weight than others, in terms of helping you to improve your rank. Look for sites relative to your industry, or for manufacturers, or craftspeople, as a whole. Government sites are particularly useful, as they hold a lot of significance in Google's eyes. Many sites offer free listings, while others charge for the privilege. We recommend using as many free listings as possible, and only paying for listings you think would make a greater impact. Your local business chamber of commerce or board of trade usually requires you to be a member to get a listing. But this is one example of a listing that can tilt the ranking scale in your favor. We'll cover more about getting your business ranked on Google in subsequent videos. But this is a good place to start. Knowledge is what will make the biggest difference. That's also why we recommend the helpful resource at the link below. Thank you for liking and sharing our video. Be sure to check out and subscribe to our channel for more.